I hope this intro works. So long. Oh my god. Fuck. So, hello. Welcome to yet another episode of Unfiltered Conversation with me, Dia Ganguly, aka That Careless Artist. And Happy New Year to everyone who just subscribed to my channel, who just gotten into this roller coaster ride with me, where I am being inconsistent throughout the year, but still show up after a long period of time. Not very happy about it, honestly speaking. Obviously, I think after 2.5 months I'm shooting this video, shooting this particularly series that I have been doing, and I am happy that at least I have done 15th episode last year. Otherwise I am so inconsistent, I thought I would have missed out, 10 episode भी नहीं होंगे, but नहीं हुआ ऐसा. I have actually shot a lot, and I'm right now very happy to do this again. In today's episode, I'm going to talk about the last 3 months of last year, like 2024, like my life update I used to give, and then I will obviously talk about my goals and ambition of 2025. And obviously, the favorite part of mine of this series is recommendations and what I have watched, my watch list of 2020, 25, 24, and 5 of the first 10, 12 days of it. So let's get started, guys. Okay, so let me take a bite of my vada pav that I am having while speaking to you all. Obviously, this is the favorite thing that you can have in Mumbai. Also, I think whoever new will not know, but I used to do it like while eating, while doing stuff, and I used to shoot this video. So I think it's very much like in real talks, in real space also. So I really like to do it. And honestly speaking, last 3 months of 2024 was literally roller coaster ride, emotionally and for me as a person also. I think last video I have shot like episode 15. Before going to my house, I have gone to my place, native place, to Kolkata. I think in the last week of October and the first week of November, or like I was there for 7 days, and I actually intend to shoot a lot there. I have shot a lot of videos there. I had the intention to post it, vlog it, and do whatever the Instagrammable thing or the short influencers do. I have actually put shots on it, Diwali shots or Bhai Dooj ke pictures on my Facebook. But when I came back, actually I had work, or also when I visit to my parents Diwali, I had intention actually, because one is to celebrate my mother's birthday, which I think is most loved video till now on my channel, on my Instagram or my Facebook. Is very very well received. I really loved it. Thank you so much, guys. But वो वाला था. और second intention था to support my father when he is retiring, and yeah, he has retired, guys, right now. And I honestly speaking, I never thought I would have this kind of emotion while going through that, because I have seen my father working throughout my life, and then suddenly he's not going to work. And obviously as an adult you have to take a lot of responsibilities, I which I didn't till now, because मेरे parents, मेरे पापा सारी responsibilities लेते थे, and I am a privileged person, and I have grown up privileged. So I didn't never need to took that responsibility. But I think it was a emotional roller coaster for me when I saw that retirement event. I didn't attend, but I saw his things, whatever he's received on the day of retirement. I have a picture. I thought about posting it as well, but then I thought sometimes you just need to keep something about your life to yourself, to your personal space. And I think that's why I didn't post about it. I think I didn't regret it also, because मुझे चाहिए था time to get out of that. मैं मेरे दिमाग में बहुत कुछ चल रहा था. I am a overthinker, but also overthinker होने के साथ साथ I am a practical person. So I know what I have to do, but also I have to have a plan about it. So I have to know कि कहाँ क्या करना है for my parents, for me, for the future. So तो बहुत कुछ मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा था इन शॉर्ट, सो इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि लेट्स नॉट पोस्ट अबाउट इट एंड लेट्स जस्ट कीप इट टिल आई फील दैट आई कैन शेयर. So I shared right now in this video. And so after coming back from my home in November, I think I get involved in my work. I prioritize it because तब हमारा shoot होने वाला था. And whoever doesn't know about it, I work in the Hindi film industry as a content creator and assistant director. So हमारे job में हमें 200% देना पड़ता है. It's not a 9 to 5 job, and we have to have the concentration of much level higher than any other job is required. So इसलिए वहाँ पे गलती की गुंजाइश नहीं होती बेसिकली. तो इसलिए मैंने कंटेंट क्रिएशन थोड़ा सा साइड में रखा. ऑल्सो आई वॉज नॉट इन माई गुड स्टेट ऑफ माइंड टू पुट आउट एनी थिंग. उसके बाद हमारा शूट होने वाला था नवंबर के एंड में. वी हैड अ टेक रेकी वो होता है जहाँ पे तुम जो शूट से पहले करते हो टू प्लान आउट द शूट कि यहाँ पे हम ये शॉट लगाएंगे, यहाँ पे ये लगेंगे. दैट डिटेलिंग वी डू. एंड लास्ट वीक ऑफ नवंबर मेरे चाचा की भी शादी थी जो मैं ऑब्वियसली अटेंड नहीं कर पाई, कोलकाता में थी वो. उसके बाद वी हैड अ शूट प्लान इन दिसंबर. लेकिन हमारा शूट फर्स्ट वीक में पता चला कि शूट नहीं होने वाला है. आई थिंक 6 और 7 ऐसा कुछ था पता चला. एंड आई वॉज प्लानिंग टू create content in the here on social media and everything. I have like a solid plan. And then I got a call from my father saying that both of them, like my parents, are going for a Himachal trip that they have planned during that wedding, because मेरे पापा मम्मी obviously गए थे and सब लोग थे मेरे रिश्तेदार, and they had this plan. And they asked me, my father asked me if I want to join. I can join. I have to obviously take leave. मैंने बहुत डर डर के मेरे बॉस से पूछा कि 10 दिन का लीव मिलेगा क्या मुझे because I wasn't sure also about this trip, because मैं अगर 10 दिन का लीव मिल भी जाए तो क्या मेरी टिकट कंफर्म होगी, जो कि हुई नहीं थी. बेसिकली मैं RSC में गई थी. बट आई विल टेल यू द स्टोरी लेटर. आई हैव पोस्ट अ व्लॉग अबाउट इट, बिकॉज आई थिंक व्लॉग में आप सबको मिल भी जाएगा कि कैसे क्या करना है सोलो एज अ सोलो ट्रैवलर, क्योंकि मैं शिमला अकेले गई थी. ठीक है. उसके बाद ऑब्वियसली आई जॉइन द ग्रुप एंड ऑल, बट वो सब जो भी है आइटिनरीज कैसी है वो सब आपको व्लॉग में मिल जाएगा. एंड एक्चुअली मैं ये ट्रिप प्लान किया था, इसमें बहुत अनप्लान तो था ही ये ट्रिप, और इसमें मैं कोई शूट करना नहीं चाहती थी एज एन इन्फ्लुएंसर और समथिंग लाइक दैट. आई रियली वांटेड टू कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन माई इमोशनल हेल्थ एंड ऑल्सो जस्ट अनवाइंड एवरीथिंग इन लाइफ. बट क्या हुआ कि इन द मिडल ऑफ द वेकेशन मनाली में थी आई थिंक 25 तारीख को, 25th December, and I realized that I really should share the picturesque mountains I am seeing throughout, and I share with my audience. I just made a reel out of it and I posted and people loved it. So I thought, yeah, maybe I should do it, little bit of video, taking the video and all, but I will post the video vlogs after I finish the vacation, because I really wanted time for me to unwind. And is 7 साल जो मैं काम करी थी. I started working when I was 21, 22, and right now I'm 28. And in this 6 years I never left my laptop anywhere. I always carry my laptop to my home, to everywhere. I think to even in my last trip to Puri, which is in Orissa, with my parents, I did carry my laptop. And इसकी वजह से क्या होता है ना, as a human being I have a tendency to get anxiety कि हाँ मेरा काम करना है. वो लैपटॉप देख के मुझे काम की याद आती है for some reason, and it's not about the work. I love my work, but वो थोड़ा सा mental peace चाहिए होता है तुम्हें sometimes. Just you don't want to do anything rather than just enjoy. तो इस 10 दिनों में मैंने ये रियलाइज़ किया, कुछ टाइम without laptop, without the baggage of always have this anxiety within yourself, you need time to heal yourself. You need time to unwind and just enjoy. Simple as that. Enjoy the life. And I did it. I really enjoyed it, honestly speaking. And after even coming back, I posted a reel about the year-end trip to Himachal, and that's it. I didn't post any more reels and all, because I never had this intention to post it also कि मैं vlog बनाऊंगी. But I had a conversation with my roommate actually. She told me that she really enjoyed my content when I was showing the itineraries and planning my things out. I was like, okay, maybe I should post the vlog and show the chaos happened there. It is very real, and obviously I will share the tips to go to Himachal because I think I went there. The temperature was minus 14, 15, and I was in a like वो जो बर्फ का तूफान होता है उसमें भी मैं फंस चुकी थी. तो जो भी आएगा मैं आपको बोल दूंगी. दिस द ग्लिम्सेस आई विल शेयर कि कैसा था वो सारा एक्सपीरियंस व्लॉग में. वो सब तो मैंने सोचा मेरे फ्लैटमेट से बात करने के बाद कि मैं अपना व्लॉग पोस्ट करूँगी. एंड ऑब्वियसली ये वीडियो भी मैं इसलिए पोस्ट कर रही हूँ क्योंकि आई रियली थॉट आई शुड डू इट. ओके, so and that's it for 2024. I think I ended up seeing the last sunset of 2024 at Versova Beach, and yeah, and that's the year end wrap up. And 2025 में मेरा कोई ईयर एंड ऐसा रेजोल्यूशन नहीं होता है कि ये मेरा ईयर का रेजोल्यूशन है, बट आई लाइक टू प्रायोरिटाइज थिंग्स विच आई हैवंट डन इवन लास्ट ईयर. दिस ईयर आई लाइक टू प्रायोरिटाइज माई मेंटल हेल्थ. And I like to prioritize the boundaries I want to create because I am an empathetic person. I sometimes overthink about people's emotions more, but this time I wanted to concentrate on my emotions, the way I feel about things, and to draw boundaries to people so that I don't ended up being too much empathetic to others. Okay, because उसमें बहुत घाटा तुम्हारा ही होता है. तुम बहुत ज़्यादा इमोशनली बैगेज ले लेते हो लोगों का. एंड सेकेंड थिंग आई वॉन्ट टू प्रायोरिटाइज माई हेल्थ बिकॉज माउंटेन्स में जाके ये तो पता चल गया कि मेरा हेल्थ एकदम ही अच्छा नहीं है. वड़ा पाव खाने से ऑब्वियसली ठीक नहीं होगा मेरा हेल्थ, बट आई रियली वॉन्टेड टू कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन माई हेल्थ दिस ईयर सो दैट आई कैन गेट रिड ऑफ माई PCOD. इट कैन बी क्योर फॉर मी एटलीस्ट बिकॉज मैं अगर थोड़ा सा अपना पुट ऑफ कर दूँ वेट और मैं थोड़ा सा एक्सरसाइज करूँ, रेगुलर डाइट फॉलो करूँ, तो मेरा PCOD ठीक हो सकता है. तो आई रियली वांटेड टू कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन दैट. और थर्ड ऑब्वियसली माई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, प्लानिंग द फ्यूचर, फाइनेंसेस, माई पेरेंट्स. I want to concentrate on that part of my life this year. And obviously काम तो चलेगा, तो ये भी content creation is also part of it. My real life work में भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, वो सब भी मेरी ज़िंदगी का ही हिस्सा है, तो वो सब तो चलेगा. बट ये 3 चीज़ मेरी प्रायोरिटी है this year, and I really hope that I can fulfill it and I can do my best to make them prioritize over everything. And this is all about 2024 wrap up and 2025 ka resolution, if you want to say it in a Gen Z. No, I'm not a Gen Z at all. Why I feel I'm little bit I'm old. I'm actually old for it. But yeah, that's it. And let's get into the best part of the video, which is, you guys know, recommendation, watch list, whatever you want to tell it. So recommendation time. Okay, so I have watched a lot of things and I have a lot of like review also. So it's recommendation and reviews of the things that I have watched. Let's get this statement correct and section correct. So this is a recommendation and review time. Let's get started. So what I have watched in 2024 ka last 3 months, I have watched Singham 3, which I think is little okay. मतलब I was thinking is okay. मतलब सिर्फ रणवीर सिंह और अक्षय कुमार अच्छा था उस फिल्म में. I watched Bulbulaya 3, totally waste of money for me because I, as a audience, didn't enjoy one joke. Like कार्तिक आर्यन का परफॉर्मेंस बहुत अच्छा था फिल्म में, for sure he has done his best, but I didn't enjoy the film का comedy at all, so I didn't like it. Also मैंने पुष्पा 2 देखा है. It very impactful, but it's very like massy. People might love it. I liked it, but I didn't love it. Obviously, it is a hall experience. Like if you watch it in your on your laptop or TV, you might not love it. You might not like it as well. Storytelling wise, I think that is a weak thing because उस फिल्म में स्टोरी का जो नरेटिव था वो बहुत वीक था. मुझे इसलिए पसंद नहीं आई और फिल्म ज़्यादा बहुत आई डिडंट एंजॉय मिसमैच सीजन 3 जो अभी आया है. मैंने पहले 4 एपिसोड ठीक थे, लास्ट 4 एपिसोड ठीक नहीं था मेरे हिसाब से. इट्स अननेसेसरी टू बिल्ड अप इमोशंस एंड आई डोंट नो, मतलब वो थोड़ा सा अलग ही था. लास्ट 4 एपिसोड ऑफ दैट सीजन आई हैव बिंज्ड इट एंड आई डिडंट एंजॉय इट. लास्ट 4 एपिसोड, या इट इज़ अ रियलिटी चेक, इट इज़ एवरीथिंग, बट मुझे पता नहीं, वो थोड़ा सा मुझे लगा डाइस. आई डिडंट लाइक इट दैट मच. आई डिडंट लाइक इट ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग. I have watched Squid Game season 2, I have binged it and I didn't enjoy it. I am a huge fan of season 1. I love that show. I was eagerly waiting for the season 2 and it disappointed me, and how I won't say it. I am really waiting for season finale, like season 3, so that I can give my final verdict, but I think I didn't enjoy the second season. It's like too much stretch and how writing wise. Okay, I like games were okay, but I didn't like it. There is Sony Live one show about which directed by Nikhil Advani. I liked a lot. Midnight something. I forgot the name. Okay, I will put it down or put anywhere in the screen, so you will know. But I really enjoyed that show. If you want to really into history and all, you will love it. वहाँ पे उस शो पे क्या है ना, historical facts, how God of independence and all, and वहाँ पे फैक्ट की तरह रखा है. नैरेटिव बहुत अच्छा है. Obviously acting is very nice. So I think I enjoyed the show. मतलब उसका मेकिंग भी बहुत अच्छा है. So yeah. Freedom of Midnight. Yes, I remember the name. Freedom of Midnight. That is the show on Sony Live. Please watch it if you haven't. आई रियली एंजॉय दैट शो. कर लिया है और ये मेरा 5वां टेक है गाइस. ओके, मैं बहुत बकबक कर ली थी और एक भी वीडियो सही नहीं आ रहा था. सो आई रियली होप इट वर्क्स एंड आई होप दैट यू एंजॉय दिस वीडियो. इफ यू हैव, please let me know, and whatever your thoughts is, please let me know in the comments. Or if you want to know something about me, ask me anything, comment down below or message me. I will definitely get back to you on your questions. And yeah, please take care of yourself and and once again, happy new year. Have a great year ahead. Okay, bye bye.